Welcome to the channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. Thanks for tuning in to watch this video. Y'all, today I have a little bit of a different video. This is a sponsor video, and I actually created my own Birkin style bag, and it's really cute. I did all of the work myself. I sewed it myself, and this is a little kit that you can get from Babylon Leather. And y'all, Babylon Leather is a company that makes these leather kits where you can sew your very own bag. It's your very own creation that you make and sew yourself. It comes with everything in the kit that you need to make this bag. And y'all, I was really surprised after I got done with this bag how much I like it, and I may just have to do another one. It did take a lot of time and effort, but in the end, it was a really nice creation, and it was actually kind of relaxing to sew. So I haven't sewn anything in a long time, but it all comes back to you, and they show you in every step of their details in their YouTube video how to do everything. So it's really easy, even for me as a beginner sewer. So let me tell you a little bit more about BabylonLeather.com, and I'll come back and show you my creation. Babylon Leather is a leather brand which has over 20 years of development in the leathercraft industry. They provide you with the best leather, quality leather products, and handcraft guidance, and maximize the handmade valuation with their services. Whether you are a leather craftsman, a professional handcrafter, leather and handcraft beginner, leather and handcraft hobbyist, a home-based business owner, or a handmade gift maker, Babylon Leather will have everything you need to make your creations with leather and their accessories. So even if you're just a beginner, explore their website and find the leather kit that's perfect for you. And once your leather kit arrives, get ready to start your creation, and at the end, you're gonna have a beautiful leather piece to share with all of your friends. Now this is the leather kit I got for my Birkin. Let me show you everything that came in it as I unbox it. Check out their website, it's babylonleather.com, and y'all, I have a coupon code MHB10 for 10% off. And let me show you this little Birkin bag that I have created. I'm really proud of it, and y'all let me know what you think of it, okay? Here it is. And this is kind of like the Birkin style. It's a little different because it doesn't have the piping on the side, but it's got like a contrasting stitching on it in this beautiful white contrasting stitch, and I just love this blue color. They also included this little horse charm for free here, and it came with the bandos that are wrapping the handles. So, and everything was sewn just by me, y'all. I will show you some footage of me sewing this bag just so you can have an idea of how easy it is and the method that you use to do it. So once I got into the kit and watched the YouTube video, instructional video, which I did have to rewind many times, I got to sewing on the bag. It did take a while to get everything going, but once you pick up a pace and a rhythm, it kind of becomes methodical and it's kind of relaxing. So I'll just show you a few clips of me sewing here. You use a saddle stitch, which they will explain exactly how to do a saddle stitch. You basically are taking two needles and going back and forth with the needles. And as you can see here, there were times when I had help. And like I said, everybody, overall this bag was a lot of hard work to put together. It took a lot of time and effort, but in the end, I was really happy with the outcome. Even with the sore fingers and the pokes with the needle in my fingers, all of the sweat and tears, I had a beautiful bag at the end. And y'all, I'm definitely not a sewer, and I definitely have never tried to sew a handbag, so this was a first for me. So if I can do it, I know you can too. Like I said, they give you step-by-step instructions on their video, so it's really fairly easy to learn along the way. It did take me several hours to make this bag, so you're gonna work on it for a while if you get one, but it's really nice. And let me show you some close-ups of it, and I wanna show you the details on the sewing that I actually did. So it's really cute, and like I said, they sent this bag charm with it, that came with it, and the bandos that I've wrapped the handles in, and everything else is hand sewn. They do a saddle stitch and everything, like this key bell here, I had to sew all of that as well. But like I said, it comes with all your parts, your lock and everything, the hardware on the bag. So let's go over the bag real quick and I'll show you the details. I just think it's really cute, and I was really shocked that I actually made a bag on my own, y'all. So if I can do it, you can do one as well. Let me show you some close-ups of it, okay? So you can see the stitching on it there, and I think I did a pretty good job on it. Y'all tell me what you think. I just love that blue and the contrast white stitching along the edges. There's the little horse that came with it, and the little bandeau on it has got some really nice colors on it as well. So I'm really happy with this little Birkin style bag. Let me show you the sides of it. I just think it's a really cute little bag. It does have like a dark black glazing on the edges of this one. It's a little bit different style than your regular Birkin with piping and everything, but I kind of like this with the contrast stitching. There's the back of it. Show it to you up close, and I hand stitch every one of those little stitches, y'all. All right, and then let me show you the bottom. There's the bottom of it. It has little feet on the bottom. I do have the little protectors on there still, just to protect them, and it comes with all that stuff too. The feet and the hardware easily screw on, but it's that beautiful gold color there. I just have these on to protect it because I'm so proud of my work here. But that is the bottom of it, and as you can see, there's the stitching that I did. This bag took many hours to sew, but you just stick to it and get a little bit done every day. And like I said, it was kind of relaxing to do. So that's the outside of it. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside. All right, y'all, to get on the inside here, you just open the hardware here, just like on your Birkin style bag. And this just pops open right here. And it releases the cinch straps on the bag here. So you just open that piece up there. I took the little horse off so that we could see and get it open. All right, and then this piece just pulls up here. All right, and then you can open the bag up and get on the inside, and the little side straps, they open wider and you can get on the inside of it there. So that is the inside there. So it's a very nice, and y'all, this is all real leather. I mean, it smells so good. This is the little pocket on the inside. It has the little pocket that comes with it, and that's the interior. So you got lots of room in this little bag. Let me show you my little pocket here. That's the pocket there, and you can see the stitching on it as well. So very nice soft leather too, and it's full grain. Smells so good, and just like real leather, because it is. All right, I just think it's a cute little bag too, y'all. Let me put these little cinch straps back in here. All right, and there it is with the little cinch straps. So cute. And then there is the key bell up close if you want to see that, and it has the key and everything works on it as well. There's your beautiful gold hardware. Such a nice little bag, and y'all, their kits are really nice. They have many different styles you can choose from too. If you don't like this style, you can get this one, or if you like this style and want it in a different color, they come in many different styles and colors. So check out their website, babylonleather.com, and you'd really be surprised if you get started on one of these and you finish it, how nice it is. And y'all, it came with an optional strap too. Let me show you the strap. It's in that same beautiful leather in the blue. I did not have to sew the strap. They did that for me already, so that's a little bit of work that they do for you. It's got these gold little straps here, so nice little attachers, and I'll show you the strap on the bag. It's pretty long. It's a shoulder strap here, and it's got a gold buckle on it there. So that is it. And then let's attach it to the bag. I'll show you where it goes on the bag here. On the bag, you're gonna have these little rivets here that you can put your strap on if you choose to wear the over the shoulder strap. Okay, and these will just attach right there. Just go right there in that little rivet, and there it is attached. So you have your strap. Let me put it all the way on for you. All right, y'all, here it is with the optional strap on, and it's a really nice length on the strap. I just think it's cute. I may not wear it with the strap, but if you want one with the strap, it does come with it, so that's an option there. And I'm just so shocked at this bag, y'all. I just think it's really nice. Y'all tell me what you think in the comments on how I did. You can find the link to babylonleather.com under my Beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio. If you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok, and I post high quality images of everything I review on my Instagram page, so definitely check that out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, like I said, go ahead, hit that subscribe button today. It is free. I do appreciate it. If you can just take a moment to give me a like, it really helps, and I appreciate it. I'll see everybody on my next video review, and thank you babylonleather.com for sending me this bag kit. I'm really proud of myself. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.